Hey guys, today we have a 1996 Ford Bronco that called for about some issues that the customer was dealing with, and the customer is right here. I want him to say what's going on with the car.
Hello.
Hey guy, hey, what's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas. Hey Thomas, what made you call me?
I had a recurring problem of PO306 misfire, and I went through everything, checked compressions, the whole 9 yards on the thing. And I had to call an expert.
Oh yeah, back to normal. So basically guys, like we say, here's the wire. I move it out of the way. If I put it back, how was it? Like this, the engine start misfiring. You see that? Then I get it out of the way. Engine come back to normal. That was it.
Fine.
Looking fine. Thank you, Thomas, for trusting us.
All right.